The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Rockwall County in north-central Texas, Northern Collin County in north-central Texas, until 9:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Rockwall City, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 120 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect heavy damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Roy City around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kaufman around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Mobile City. This includes Interstate 30 between mile marker 67 and 75. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is a destructive storm for Rockwall and Royce City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.